Right, fantastic morning. I'm also a good evening. Some day 12 so Badwam can see and some of the toss to the Fata Soutini. Get we say and yet the Rabia. Your basse and Franco Trading Enterprise, that is Yaconqua, and in some no bro Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone Papa Fini ho, the patcho laptops now, part of air conditioner, now part of TV, CCTV camera. Papa Pano Franco Trading Enterprise. And so now Compute Ghana, so can one and a pay in some idea about 50% discount or Compute Ghana. Then of course ideal ever or the golden ever mixture abase me malaria and tonchini baby. Malaria ne bi what to say buy stop bomb. You na the Okopi hospital am yakwajo to bed or say hospital so koda wa ba so shaba. Eto ho a ye ho duru, ye ho dudu. Pacho golden ever mixture na prepare so ma bi eben was as I say tonton ma ba no me very stubborn. Who spray them more cry no that time cry on mama hoden. O da hware ba kwa be gina on chen hwe nim say to. Eh tinya wona me spray we. We stubborn te na malaria and beba. Golden eba mixture na beba. What my eba mixture so e be madra e mo gina na say be me. We sorry no pa na mbo nkofia or problem. 1 week ni mbo nkofia ba kokra. O ye be ma o hwe me. Not even one nkofia. I mean, let you bottom my about measure. Won't go for your natural wine. To say yes, niggas, and what they do more for sunny. I'm a near match ye. Na match about what me body. Uncle say penalty say Mbappe. So, and what some man and Ebaquaba. Kedwara Cassani, Erica Sedu Body. Sergio Manucho, Bernard Paribo me producers. If I shall send them pass all their feed the EPL, league leaders, Liverpool drop points. I'm going to draw. Chelsea are Bogum Num. Then, Okopiemo Manchester United Arsenal at long last Manchester City win number and Fabre up to Nottingham by 3 goals to 0. No any other games a Barcelona among EPL. So I know the echo so enra in the EPL shedding so mame say table no so why there was see papa on top of the table still. Liverpool Ajaboso and two teams say yes. 35 points for Liverpool, 28 for Chelsea. Utum say yes. So why the pa 28 for Chelsea, 28 for Arsenal. Man City also fourth with 26 points. Brighton feet 23. We need the Ecoso EPL anymore. And also you don't some bro and nano pay. But also then other games there Basel, Fulham and Brighton, Bournemouth and Tottenham Hotspur. Winning games there Basel in the EPL and Enra, Real Madrid, Athletic Bilbao, San Mames, Bonne Caminoa, or Timo Baco, Kylian Mbappe say penalty again. The second penalty was this season. Real Madrid are catching on Yambo Remuche. And on area cost so Spain, they say 37 points for Barcelona, Real Madrid, there was 33. This weekend on Girona and the airport now and Kane Okoko Unia 36 nanka 1 point that outstanding game Kaise Cowboy. I deny something which is their pa and still Barca on top. Watching Real Madrid move 4 points with Madrid a outstanding gamer. I say Obo and Tika Shannon so sa Efa and Mame or Honum the Ecoso war Yanamo Amai so and Anoko Primo war the Coppa Italia. Utim say yes and also in why there was see Copiemo or Italy, a man for the young whom ye papa. And then it be Eddie Gusu Kakra, Spanish Copa de Rey, no matches also, and also a course to need to partner easy. But in Italy, be a Shedimo, say why and edge the likes of Inter Milano and Yabre Somo extra Bobrepa. But Enra Fiorentina about 2-2 with Empoli and penalties. Empoli are qualified for the next stage of the competition. Samo. To say Fiorentina for 1 year serious so crack. Now, Compute Ghana a 50% discount and other discounts be there. One more Eddie Agu a year. A coin more sales will be to me Eddie B at the Akofie 030-275-2020. 030-275-2020. Information be there. I'll pay Compute Ghana honor with me no Eddie Sa was so former board chairman at the Masante Kotoko over Herbert Mensah. Now not to the air coso. Our Ghana football moon or their footway and I'm a football penny for.
There are no weak teams anymore who are playing. So what is it about our administrators that put a system together, which when they fail, they still have the guts to come and make excuses that nobody in their right mind would accept? We have to look inwardly at ourselves. A great sporting nation like Ghana is no longer a great sporting nation. At all. Not an emulable. You go to the Olympics, we've wasted taxpayers' money. You go to Commonwealth Games, you've wasted taxpayers' money. You go to Nations Cup, and the amount of money that is spent singularly on football, the political sport, if I can put it like that, is not acceptable. And there needs to be hard truths. There's something about we Ghanaians. The easiest thing to raise money for this side of a beauty pageant is football.
Right.
So therefore, you shouldn't go to the government and be really requiring the government.
They should be able to work and raise their own money to run
if I was running
the national teams.
If I was running the national teams, I'd be doing that. Because you are the chief. Even in rugby, at my recent AGM, when somebody got up and he says, President Mensah, and I said, no, don't call me the president. I don't encourage it. I'm the chief marketing officer for Rugby Africa. We've got to look at our finances. We've got to look at our structure. You've got to look at your governance. You've got to really look and say where at the end of the day, because for the entire continent of Africa, I receive a budget of $2.2 odd million.
For the entire continent?
The entire continent.
$2 million?
Just over.
That isn't much.
I know, and that's to run about 8 competitions, airline tickets, everything else that is totally included in that package. Staff, administrative costs.
I don't know, all right, but Mensah, somebody told you. Malaria drone, a golden about mixture. Mema drone, a Badwam about mixture. I'm in the pancasa. I'm saying a miss my smile. I'm for identity of Modia Ba, Badwam about mixture on Yasam Kitu, Meme Ufia, ya camera 4. I'm German, so sa. One here, Sissy Benjamin. We are Badwam about mixture. Hey! What are you going to be like? Bring her nebano. Oh, I be Massa, but bring us here. Wow, so do. Or Tony Macoye Nafi. Real Madrid Bilbao said, I don't work with you to one. A canning na bubro. Ah, shows a hot one ever cost to room shows. Ah, my lessons and Carol cry. I don't TV deba. Wow, yes, I said, I'm worried, Papa said, who should be fine chain. Only na P, you are no more fine. Who could feel now, says Muja. I feel now will reply WhatsApp messages. Hey! What my about Mesha? 0243-173-388. 0243-173-388. What man? Come on. President of the Ghana Olympic Committee, Black Stars Assembly say, there go so pen poma si breni ade papa so na no to eni ye koso Black Stars mu.
Level of some of your players has a lot of question mark on it.
Okay.
These days we have players who make us say they have no attachment to the homeland. These players were born outside, they grew up outside, they are doing so well in their clubs,
yeah.
Some motivation to die a little bit for Mother Ghana. In any case, Mother Ghana doesn't even, in their world, doesn't even exist because they have another mother somewhere.
Okay.
Okay. For convenience sake, my World Cup is easier to come through Ghana because I'm playing in the Premiership, I'm playing in the La Liga. You're being regarded as top. It could be one of the factors, but for me, I would have wished that our
Right. The HOC president at the Eto Eja. Channel Somame say Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fee ni ho. They say computer papa fee ni ho. The open washing machine papa fee ni ho. Air condition papa fee ni ho. TV papa fee ni ho. Bobo papa fee ni ho. Yeah, I know they are so papa fee ni ho. Franco Trading Enterprise. Matteson Ampadu. Why a bodybuilder? Why I know could see Ghana name crack or J medal at the buy. Arches Otum says ne kuyi pa. I am a schoolmate from Price Secondary School. A school the friend is Skito. But you say more friend have Boabone. But a photos from Kwama Machu for election year by a Machu for when you photo.
About 2 years beto Saturday year by year, yes, Remo Ghana for party asem, and yen tokwa sem, and ye man so sem, yes, Remo, and ye basa ye, and ye money ye babayeno Saturday. Ghana, ye pasundie. Oshe history Ghana, one of the countries in Africa, ye very peaceful. Ye mpento kwa semu biya. Macho man biya, ye be kwa hainwo. Say kofa ballot box ana kodi obi echi ekodi nsemoni bia dwen wo ho ne dwen wo da ache wo ne hunu se sa mpenifo no mo ye o se dimechi ko ha no omo man ni country ni mo omo de omo man ko nti wo ye macho man na abatuo yi e wo trim se o ba be ya abysmal act bia yes remo masa act in kandem no violence this election. It has to be peaceful. Police for akasa de dada. Military force for akasa. Your president akasa ubi akasa fa abatuo yi ho. Ye macho man force so ye kasa say ye peaceful election. Macho man bia obekọ ho akodi nsemoni bia no. Oni police for na nsemu. Isi ano bia ni abre organa ha. Ye mpe mo jasemu bia ye sremo. We are all fighting for peace. We love Ghana.
Mo build the professional name. Mo fantam ballot box.
Ye fantam ballot box. Ye build it. The cogina stage papa bi so ama ye show your body no papa bi. Ama body na ye fair. Yes ye be kwa show body no. Ye the inclined to be ha. Ye the two abo ha. Ye the we dabi ye the entisa. Ye mpe ye wansem. Surprisingly, omo ma bopa no omo mpe omo wansem. Bankrofo onimo. Bodybuilders, professional ones no omo mpe omo wansem. Omo ye din de bi omo hyedem. Omo mpie kra. Because body ni wu hia no sa body no e no de bako pesika nton fanko dabi fanko ye ni maybe a e be say body ne kra dabi so this should be your mentality all the macho guys men fa body ni nko ye nsamoni bi a ye be say body na ma o chine bi na body na ni obium ya say no you destroy no
right Martin Senampadu abo no skito na ye nim no pa de ye frɛ no ono na ne originating e Ghana ono say ona so her videos bi o TikTok na ya na wa boya on na market ya aha akwa no ono ha skito top sound engineer na say what he penya na de sa o Bobby Titu skito osia ye bagina so ne de sie na no pai imakomi ensa na kokuru misi akonkon ma me de nsam de ebre wo Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie ni ho computer papa fie ni ho laptop papa fie ni ho air conditioning papa fie ni ho achese de o pe bi TV 32 inch to 55 inches obenya bi Franco Trading Enterprise phone just a my se phone my there forget it but se phone ya yenko there obenya bi Franco Trading Enterprise no matter the brand Franco womo kame ho no pay na me nsam no at the bro Franco number say 055 593 9311 055 593 9311 Play Store App Store with my download your app no na no cry ntem o cry the some discount anya easy cry na dia Ideal Herbal the golden herbal mixture dia base me malaria and fa be memu o ya fit out to nipa duani mu so gina wa ye go be on say aha dia Badwam herbal mixture 0243173388 0243173388 Badwam herbal mixture. I'm also a sponsors and open can where they ba Compute Ghana Prime Friday let's say Friday there 50% no more so my bura Compute Ghana baby one day only just 24 hours. Now price not drop it by 50%. That is Compute Ghana for you. For Compute Ghana and Tempaso 030-275-2020 030-275-2020 Compute Ghana. I'm a sponsors and a probably okay on my day agudi emu and some come pa now. Imagine us to see now pay Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibo me producer Sabre Mrs. Fiaman Quatama could space at the Apomodion some April. You are not the Akaso Bayana Wakai the Nankasa Aka Kejuan where Casidu body because I have